And then we can see the poppy dog perfectly in the dark. Today, for the subject of your perusal, I bring to you the Akaso night vision goggles. Now this comes with 2 batteries. It looks like so. Fantastic if you just want a bit of fun on a camp. Maybe you're looking for wildlife or something like that, or just for a laugh while you're sitting around the fire. The way to focus the lens is here, and you can zoom in and out on it as well. It's got 4K camera. What is that for? So that's a tripod mount. Not sure what the clip is for there. Everything lights up when it comes on. And then quite simply to turn it on is the power button. It's made for distance really, so obviously I'm a bit close here, but we can zoom in and out on the plus and minus buttons there. I'll show you what this looks like out in the dark, and we'll try it in the house as well, why not? You can check the menu on here. You can also record what you're looking at as well. So you can see it's quite dark over there. Let's see what we can pick up with that. Okay, so you can see it brightens it up quite a lot now. That's the difference. See if we can get an even smaller light in here, see what that does. So I'm going to try this lantern now, just to emulate a bit of moonlight, starlight sort of thing. Okay, so you can see now it is very dark again, but we have got a slight bit of light from the lantern, which you can't see on the camera. Let's see what difference that makes. There we go, so it's picking it up really good now, even though that's what it looks like to the naked eye. Okay, so we're in the kitchen now, and there's a picture over here, can't see it at all. This is what it looks like to the naked eye, very pixelated through here. But what we can actually do is increase the infrared. Okay, now we've got the infrared on, so we can see that. You can see that picture nice and clearly now. Let's increase this further. Infrared 2, 3, and this goes right the way up. Brightens it up so much. And you can see that is what it looks like to me. And that is what we can see on here. Really cool. Okay, so that is the Akaso Seemor 200 is called. Works very well, so I think you will always pick something up on it. It does come with a hard shell case, as well as 2 batteries with plenty of life. You've also got something to clean the lens and a strap as well to carry it around, as well as obviously the manual. For nature enthusiasts, you know, if you want to try and pick up a bit of wildlife walking past your camp, If you could hear a bit of a noise in the woods, that could be an ideal solution for you. So thank you to Akaso for sending me that for this review. If you fancy getting yourself one, I will put the link in the description below. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you soon. Ta-ta.